Welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to design home care service website using WordPress. So by the end of this video, we are going to design this particular type of website. We are going to recreate this particular home care service website, this professional looking home care service website. So if this is the type of content that you want, please consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video like this, you get notified. So this is the professional looking home care service website that I'm going to design by the end of this video. Very professional. You can see it looks very professional, ready to use. You're just going to use what? Drag and drop. No writing. We are not going to write any code. You just drag and drop and your website will be ready. So without wasting time, let's get started. So now you log into your WordPress dashboard. So if you don't know how to create this particular WordPress, I have a video on how to install WordPress. The video will be in the link will be in the description. So you go and watch that video so you can be able to land on this page. So once you have your WordPress installed, the next thing you are going to do is you need to install some particular theme and plugins that is necessary for us to achieve this particular design. So now the first thing we are going to do is you come over to your WordPress dashboard. You click on appearance, you click on themes. So now the theme we are going to use for this design is Hello Elementor. So this is the theme we are going to use for this design. So I have tested it in Hello Elementor. I have not tested it in other theme, so I've tested it in this Hello Elementor. So for you to install this particular theme, you click on add theme. So once you click on add theme, you come over here. The Hello Elementor usually stay at the top. So if you don't find it, then you are going to do what? Search for it over here. Then you do what? Once you search for it, you install it and activate it. Once you are done installing and activating this particular theme, the next thing you are going to do is to install the necessary plugin. So you click on plugins. So the necessary plugin, the most important plugin that we need for this particular design to achieve this design is Elementor page builder and template kit import for importing of our template. So that is the two most important plugin that we need. The light speed cache is for to increase your website speed. So if you care about your website speed and caching, you are going to do what? Install this light speed cache. So once for you to add this particular plugin, you click on add plugin. Once you click on add plugin, you come over here, you search for Elementor. You search for Elementor. So once you search for Elementor, you do what? You install and activate it. See it over here. Install and activate it. Once you are done activating this particular Elementor, the second plugin that you need is a template kit import. Template kit import. So now once you search for this particular plugin, you do what? You install and activate template kit import. So once you are done installing this particular template kit import, the next step is for you to create pages that you are going to work on. So you come to pages, you click on all pages. Now by default, I've created some pages over here. So but let's trash this home page and recreate this particular home page because this is the home page I used for my previous video. So now for us to create a new home page or other pages, if you don't know how to create pages, this is how to create page. But I know most of you might have known how to create pages. So if you don't know about that, then you need to watch my full video on how to design websites using WordPress. So the link will be in the description. So if you don't know how to create pages, but I'll also show you now. So you click on add page. So once you click on add page, then it's time for us to recreate that home page that we just deleted. So I'm just going to write it home. So it mustn't be written home. You can write it anything, but I usually use the term home. So you come over to template over here. Instead of using default template, you click here and choose Elementor full width or Elementor canvas, but I usually choose a full width. You click on publish. So once you are done publishing, you go back. Then you find out that we have created home page, but it is not yet our home page. This is we have created the page, but we have not told it to be our home page. So for us to achieve that, you come to settings. So you come to settings, you click on reading. So once you come over, you click on reading, you find out that our home page displays our latest post. So when somebody enters our home page, the person sees our latest post, which is not what we want. We want that person to see a static page. So for that, you click on static page, then you do what? You click on home page, then you select this particular home page that you just created, then we save changes. Now, once we are done, you go back to pages, you click on all pages, then you're going to find out that the home page is now our front page. So this is what people see once they come to our website. This is now the front page of our website. So once we are done, the next thing is for us to now work on the importing of this particular template. So for us to do that, you come over to tools, you are going to see template kit, which is the plugin you installed earlier. You click on it. So now once you click on it, so you do what? You click here to install your template. You can see I've installed this particular template. So I've divided this particular video into two. In this particular part one, I'm showing you the necessary plugin that you need. So in the part two, which I will put the link in the description, and I also put the link in the, I'll pin it in the comment. So you click on that link to watch the part two of this video. In the part two of this video, I'm going to show you where to get this particular template and how to install it, just like I did right now. So that video, you are going to watch it in the part two. I didn't want to include it here because I don't want this video to be too long. So because of that, I divided the video into two. So the part two now, the link to the part two will be in the description and also in the pinned comment. So don't forget to check it out to continue watching this particular video. Please check it out. So we are going to stop this particular part one here so that I will be able to work on the part two. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video. So if you find my channel useful to you and any of my video useful, you can come over here for our fan support. So this is where we do our fan support. So you can come over here. You can come over here for our fan support. So your support is particular. Your any of support you give to us is highly celebrated and highly appreciated. So thank you for your support. So now, thank you for your support. Thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you for sharing my video. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for watching my videos. Most of you have been watching my video from beginning to the end and liking my videos. All those things are what motivate me to continue creating more videos, and I'm very grateful for that. I'm very grateful for having subscribers like you. So thank you for that. I thank you all for that. So don't forget to check the description for the part two of this video for you to continue watching this video. So on this note, we stop here, and I will see you in my next video.